inside?
I don't know.
Baby
Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, it's so many squishy.
Yes.
Don't mind the background. I mean, just kidding, just mind it. Bye-bye, guys. And the next vid, if this gets maybe a 2K likes, I will show all of it to you. And a new dragon.
Oh.
Bye, guys.
Then they should like go.
My brother said he was gonna he subscribed me. Okay, bye guys, and make sure to subscribe.